If possible, use headphones. Try to repeat after me. And if you are here to learn how to listen, so you can tap and hold the screen to watch in 2x speed. In this video, we will talk about the importance of listening to English and how to practice it. Do you know how a baby learns to speak? First, the baby only listens. The baby listens to the mother, the father, and people around. After many months of listening, the baby starts to speak. This is the natural way to learn any language. If you want to speak English, first you must listen to English every day. Importance of listening. Listening is the most important step in learning English. When you listen, you learn the sound of words. You learn the correct pronunciation. You also learn how sentences are spoken in real life. Listening makes your brain think in English, not in translation. It also helps you remember new words without hard study. The more you listen, the easier it becomes to speak. Real-life benefits. When you listen to English every day, your life starts to change in many ways. Think about movies. If you only read subtitles, you do not enjoy the real feeling. But if you listen carefully, you can enjoy the actor's voice, the emotion, and the real meaning. The same is true for songs. English songs become more beautiful when you understand the words. Listening also helps you in study and work. Many online courses, lessons, and interviews are in English. If you listen daily, you will understand them better. Slowly, you will feel more confident to join meetings, attend classes, or talk to new people. Listening gives you natural confidence. When you know how people really speak, you are not afraid to answer. You don't need to translate word by word from your mother tongue. Instead, you think directly in English. This makes your speech faster and more natural. Another big benefit is vocabulary. When you listen again and again, new words enter your mind without hard study. For example, if you watch an English story, you will hear words like brave, strong, or journey. Next time, your brain remembers these words easily. Listening is like food for your language. The more you eat, the stronger you become. So, the truth is simple. If you want to speak English with confidence, first you must listen to English. Listening is not just practice. It is the secret to learning a new language naturally. How to practice? Now the question is, how should you listen to English? The answer is step by step. Start with small and simple audios. Do not begin with difficult movies or heavy books. You can start with children's stories, simple podcasts, or slow English news. These are easy to understand and they give you confidence. The next method is repeating. When you hear a sentence, try to say it again. This is called the shadowing method. For example, if the audio says, "Good morning, how are you today?" you also say the same sentence. This practice makes your mouth comfortable with English sounds. Time is very important. You don't need to listen for hours. Just 10 to 15 minutes every day is enough. Daily habit is more powerful than long study once a week. If you listen every day, your brain stays active in English. Also, use earphones if possible. Clear sound makes listening easy and enjoyable. You can listen while walking, cooking, or even traveling. English listening should become part of your daily life, like drinking tea or brushing your teeth.
At first, you may not understand everything. That is normal. Don't stop. Just keep listening. Your brain is like a sponge. Slowly, it will catch words, then sentences, then full meaning. Step by step, listening will make you confident, natural, and fluent in English. Remember this simple truth. If you listen more, you will speak better. Listening is like water for a plant. Without water, the plant cannot grow. Without listening, your English cannot grow. Do not think that listening is a small step. Every time you listen, your brain is learning. Even if you do not understand every word, your mind is working in the background. Day by day, your brain connects the sounds, the words, and the meanings. One day, you will realize that you are speaking English without fear. Do not stop because of mistakes. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teachers. Every wrong sentence is a step toward the right one. Be patient, be consistent, and keep going. Make listening your daily friend. Listen to English when you wake up. Listen while you walk, while you travel, or before you sleep. Let English enter your life like music. The more you listen, the more natural it becomes. So, start today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Start today even with just 5 minutes. That 5 minutes can change your future. Because listening is not just practice. Listening is the key. The key to confidence, the key to fluency, and the key to your success.
Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. And practice listening to English every day.